Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this water purifier and filtration system that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that after trying it, this one could be in. I just realized before starting the video that it matches with my new espresso machine and coffee grinder because it's white, so it looks really cool. But besides that it looks really cool, this one comes with a 1.3 gallons tank right here. So you don't have to do any installation with your water system, with your sink, with nothing. You just need this water tank right here that you're going to be filling with water, and just like you're going to let it work with the filtration system. That this one comes with 5 stages filtration system. And then also this really cool, this jar is really cool. It is a pretty heavy one and thick glass that comes with a filtration system on top that you gotta rinse it. You gotta just give it a read to this one for that and to just learn how to rinse it. And then you can put it in here and fill it up with filtered water and just put it in your fridge. So that is really good for having cold water ready at all times. Then give this one a read. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up and how it works in a few seconds. But give this one a read because there is something that you need to do before using this machine for the first time. And that's gonna be flushing the tank 3 times. So you gotta fill up the tank with water, flush it. So you gotta put like a big container here or something, flush it entirely, fill it back again, do it one more time, and then one last time. In that process, you're gonna see that the water comes a little bit, not dirty, but like a stain or something like that. That's normal because that's one of the filters, actually is the second filter that is working and making the whole process just for you to be ready when you start using this machine. Let's actually take a closer look right here on the back. So here's where you're gonna fill up the tank. You can bring a container right here and fill it up, or you can actually take it out, which I think it's what I recommend, just taking this one out, and you can hear it beeping because it's telling you that there is no water tank. And also this one is gonna be when you need to refill the water tank. So filters are right here. You can replace them. You have the CF and the RO right here. So read the manual just to understand what's happening with those two. And once you're done, you're gonna put your tank back just like that. You're gonna put the handle just that way, make a click, and you're all set. By the way, for cleaning purposes, you can remove this one if you want and clean it. It comes with kind of like a magnet, so that's gonna be really good. It's not gonna move. And then you can put a big mug over here, a water bottle, you can put a tumbler, and just hit this one. Is gonna be the flushing, and you have 12 ounces, 18 ounces, 36 ounces, and then the reset. 36 ounces is gonna be this jar. So the only thing you will have to do is just put it in here and just hit the 36 ounces, and that's gonna be it. You can stop it at any time, or you can just like let it finish the 12 ounces. You can see that it goes a little bit, just not a super thick kind of like steam or something like that, just because it's filtering at all times. It's filtering the water. So I think that is really cool. Then it finished. Just remember, give this to a read just to understand the whole process and how this one works and what it means to be filtered in 5 stages. Remember, you also have the jar right here to put it in the fridge. And then this one works by itself, and it's also white and kind of like chrome right here with chrome accents. So I think it's also a really nice decoration. I like it. I do totally, entirely recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.